All right, court is calling 2026 CR 005187 and 2026 CR 005189, State versus Carla Hernandez. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Lawrence, for the state.
Roger Pettis for Carla Hernandez, Your Honor.
And are you Carla Hernandez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you entered a plea of no contest in each of these cause numbers according to your plea bargain agreement. And the cause number ending in 89, state is recommending deferred adjudication. This is running concurrent with 2026 CR 5187. They're taking in consideration 2026 CR 005191, and there's a $1,500 fine. And the cause number ending in 87. It's a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. And again, they're taking in consideration the same cause numbers. All right, so have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Any objections to the PSI report from either side?
No, Your Honor.
All right, any witnesses from the state?
No, Judge.
Any witnesses from the defense?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I have some questions. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Carla Hernandez.
All right, so here's the thing. One, you've reached an agreement with the state. I'm inclined to accept your agreement. However, you need to be honest with me. All right, first thing, if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Probably negative, but I'm not too sure. I'm already clean from the marijuana.
When's the last time you used?
It was like 3 weeks ago.
All right, do you have children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do they live with you?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're using like 3 weeks ago?
No. Like I stopped, but I mean, I'm going by like last month. Maybe it's probably been more than 3 weeks.
Well, I mean, again, you have children and you're saying you used 3 weeks ago.
Like no. Like I stopped. So I mean, it's been like 3, 4. Like I'm not too sure.
When's the last time you used?
I used the last month, like in maybe when I went through the probation thing.
That would be July.
Yes.
All right, so you used and you have children. What are your children's ages?
I have a 20-year-old, a 14-year-old, 8 and 4 and 5.
And do they live with you?
Yes, ma'am. They are.
And who else lives in the household?
Just me and my oldest son.
Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I work at the San Antonio State Sales.
I'm sorry?
San Antonio State Sales.
And what do you do there?
I help get the house ready whenever my boss is gonna have the sale, and I price items for her, and I work the sales.
And talk to me about this hindering the apprehension or prosecution of a known felon. What's that about?
That's one of my fathers. I mean, it's my baby's dad to one of my kids. I was giving him a ride, and
If I may, Judge, she was called by him and says, "Hey, I have your child support money, but I can't get to you. Come pick me up."
Mhm.
So she's going there prepared to receive the funds, and she said, "Oh, I don't have them, but here, drive me to where I'm going to go get the money for you." And then that's when this whole fiasco occurred.
And then how does that turn into you're going to pick up child support, which I understand. Somebody says, hey, I have child support, you need it, you're going to go pick it up. How does that turn into your speeding at 100 miles per hour?
He threatened me to hit me, beat me up if I stopped because he didn't want, he had a warrant, I guess. So I was fearing for my life, and because we had a domestic violence in the past, so it was, I was scared. And then I just told him I'll just stop.
Well,
A further enhancement to the story is when they finally stopped,
Mhm.
he ran across IH-10.
well, you know what? I will tell you this. So many people in San Antonio run across the freeway. I have no idea why they think that's a pedestrian way, but they do it. So here's my question. If all of this is true, then hindering arrest, apprehension, or prosecution of a known felon, if somebody is threatening you, then why are we here on that? Evading arrest, detention with a vehicle. If somebody threatening you, then why are we here with these charges? Because isn't that a defense?
Potentially it could be, there was just some distance that went on before the stop.
But I mean, if somebody is threatening you, then is that not a defense? Am I wrong? I mean, if y'all want to continue with this plea, I'll accept this plea, but it appears that that would be a defense to evading. That would be a defense to hindering apprehension, prosecution.
We just thought under the circumstance, it would be best. She realizes the circumstances. Because the defense is certainly a defense, but that doesn't mean it's going to be accepted by 12 people.
I mean, I hear what you're saying. Do you want me to go along with this plea?
Yes.
Okay. State, any objection to the court following this plea? All right. Anything you wish to add, State? All right, thank you, State. All right, so we're going to start in cause number 2026 CR 005189. This is what the court will do. Probation, are you ready? All right, and that cause number, the court is going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs. I'm going to follow the recommendation from the TAP evaluation. So there's to be intensive outpatient treatment with probation, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, no possession of firearms. I'm sorry, let's not do the no possession of firearms. It appears that she may have some issues with fathers of her children. This is run concurrent with 2026 CR 005189. Taking consideration 2026 CR 005191. There's to be no fine. Any objections to the court imposing no fine? I know your agreement was for a $1,500 fine. Any objections?
No objections.
All right, so there's going to be no fine, 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. I'm going to order probation. Do you recommend MRT or just the cognitive course?
MRT.
All right. MRT, once that's completed, the remaining 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. Field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. There's to be no contact with Simon Jesus Eufracio, EUFRACIO. Probation, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
And I'm so sorry, you're gonna have to provide no driving without proof of insurance liability. and a valid driver's license. And I'm asking for that because I don't know what happened as a result of you evading at 100 miles per hour. And that cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because that's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, you're welcome. All right, we're going to proceed in 2026 CR 005187. And that cause number, the court is going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, intensive outpatient treatment with probation, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home healthcare provider with minors. This is to run concurrently with 2026 CR 005189. Taking consideration 2026 CR 005191. There's to be no fine. Any objections to there being no fine, counsel?
Absolutely not, Your Honor.
200 hours community service restitution. I'm gonna order parenting classes in the MRT. Once those are completed, the community service hours were deemed satisfied. There's to be no contact with Simon Jesus Eufrasio. No driving without proof of insurance liability and a valid license. Probation, is there anything else? And probation with regards to the UAs, if you will make sure that she is tested for levels. All right, is there anything else that you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document in that case entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it? Here you go, counsel.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the case that was taken in consideration, did y'all hear that?
You've already signed it, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.